Number. Pick pa tanan.
Tanan pa, tanan.
Nobody takes number 1, okay? Say, why did, what is this? You, because your dad is your dad, that's why? I'll get one again. Well, you know what? I wanted either 1 or 9, and I got 9.
Five, Dad, five.
I'm going first.
Okay,
I'm
go
gonna choose
ahead.
the best gift. The biggest one.
You're the loser. You got it, you got it. Go now, go, go. You took it now.
Jong, paris sa ba na duha? Paris sa ba na duha?
This is number 1.
Paris sa do,
It's
yeah.
considered one gift. That's right.
Yung isa din, orange tsaka pink. Consider
So I'm opening both. Or what?
You can open one on this. It should be
One.
the same. Or you can
But it's the same gift.
Don't tell him that. Confuse him. Let him take that again.
Mamaya na lang, open kasi mo.
Let him. It's good. When?
So who wants to steal this?
So, panday mo na.
Number 2 na sa tintin eh.
I have a lot of
has
mugs.
option, right? If he wants to steal a card. Everyone can steal a card.
Self-steering? So on this.
Half mug. Half mug.
Steering.
Steer siya
Yung
na.
lagyan na ni mo, men.
Ikaw ano, Jo? Maaagawan lahat.
Five.
Self-steering mug.
Five.
How?
No, just you're gonna move your hand like
Sige, number 2 was number 2.
Number 2, Ning.
So you have to either
this. Take that or
take
there.
that steal or you have to pick from the unwrapped one.
Uy, limundo siya.
Okay. Yay!
It's a number 3.
Number 3, Mio. Ikaw, Mio? Ikaw, number 3. Yeah, daily na kastil.
Pwede pa siya later. Pwede pa later. You have to wait for you. You have to wait for you.
You wait for you.
Took it.
Wait, number 3.
You made the most sense.
Next, number 3. Yan mo, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Number 3. No.
Yeah, yeah.
What you bought?
Still yun ako. Still.
This is one.
Asa mo, Jong? Pick the smallest one. Coaching.
I will be fair.
Kanang,
Okay.
that's the best gift according to the owner.
Open.
Open.
Who wants to steal?
Wait and see. Then you will know.
I will be the first. I think I made the wrong
Ito yung
decision.
steal eh.
Hello.
Because it will be stolen from me.
Well,
Wow.
What's that?
Pink kitchen.
well, sorry, June.
I will steal it.
Nice.
I will steal it. I'm number 4.
Ah. Nice. Still number 4. Who's number 4? Candy.
They're together.
No, I
Together nga. Awan lang din kayo, te. One.
hindi.
And then, separate sila.
What's that?
Bubble wrap.
Coffee maker?
Juicer.
I'm excited. Oy. Unsa nang kinagamyan? Fairness. Paris ang kinagamyan.
Dili rin tagsa na. Ang Paris kaning orange o kanang pink.
Dili na
See,
kambuhan.
that's a good one.
Nice.
Sana.
That's what you like. Okay, let's do it.
You will not.
Number 4.
Juicer. Lagi.
Nobody's stealing.
You have to buy your car.
That way.
Keep.
Five.
Ilag ka against that.
Oh, it's nice!
Saan nga ko lang nakuha? Ang nindot pa dyan.
Thank you!
Headset.
Headset. Ala, na mo steal.
Kita na, okay. Okay,
Sid, it's either mo steal ka
O
or
steal
mo...
ka nga ate Ningning or makuha kang bag ko.
Steal na.
I'm so happy. But just imagine.
After 5, human sa tanan.
No, just imagine she went home with this.
After. Then 6.
Ano maganda
No sleep.
Ito,
Kani Ken Spice na duha?
Oo.
Kana? Duha ka tong duha miyo.
Ha?
Usa
Kauban na sila.
usa la ablihan.
Di, pwede niya blend na.
Salado.
Wow naman.
Oh, ay. What ay butanganan ng rice na ano?
Go and put some rice now.
Yung pa isa.
Ano ka sa Pinas?
Make sure it's the same. It might be just a box.
Right.
There.
Right. Tada!
Nice.
Ayun pa
Thank
isa.
you.
Duha na kabuk mo
Let's go ba? Thank you.
Ay sa pag
Di ba gano'n mo? It's not steal. Someone can steal it.
Makausap yung
Dobre?
parehara na, guys.
Sure to yan.
O, parehara na. Yan ang nakunog ablihi. Dili, lain daw. Dili.
Thank you, don't steal pag
Okay.
Ay sa pag thank
Don't
you
say
mo.
thank you.
Ay, gobot ni ka doon.
Ako. 7.
Dahil na, imuha ka ng gift. That's yours.
What are you
Hindi,
doing?
akin yan. Dalawa. It's 2.
What?
1. It's fair. Like this one.
She knows it already.
Ako mo lang ang gift.
Bagong kasal. Oh.
Kani, marag.
Isi.
Neil, you'll be happy.
Oh.
Ah!
Isa ko mo thank you kay. Hindi mo si.
Don't say thank you.
Takto kayo ni pagbukan.
You sure that's what it is inside?
Yes, of course. Ay, later na yan. Later na. Later
Di, uy, gamay kayo na.
Sige na.
Kani?
We want to steal it.
Open.
And
Why are you not opening it for
you might steal this one.
See?
I'm waiting.
That's why.
It's fair. It's fair.
No, you take that.
Wow!
Asa na tago, bud?
Awan na niya.
Chai.
Chai. Okay. Done.
Kakang mo ba yung gikuha?
Suga.
What is it? Hair together?
No,
What?
No,
no.
that's
Nine
my
and then...
Light!
That looks like
Light!
Na.
Light!
fishing guys.
Wow.
Suga na to?
Flashlight.
Ah!
Lamp.
Light! Ako lagi light.
Fishing.
Fishing. Ito kami.
You have to steal or...
I'm gonna give me the box only. I'm gonna read first.
No!
I'm not stealing yet. I'm not stealing. This is a battery or what?
China, carbon.
Look at the partner. They both go for fishing. So
Naipangopi yung suga.
rechargeable lantern.
You're Steve.
This looks for the kids. And this one, I already saw something there. That's not for me. I'm gonna take that. Losers!
Stealing siya.
Ikaw Ning.
Dahil.
Steal or open.
Magubot ni ka.
Kanina galing to? Akin.
Again, you do
Nice kay
something.
Ning.
Ay, headset.
Kagaano na ko yayay na.
Sakto
If it was that nice, you would have taken it first.
No, it's for lady.
Yay! Kami.
You really think I'm gonna pick that up?
Siya na last. Steal or...
Ikaw, Day. Wala kay choice, Day.
You can't steal again, Hada.
Ikaw, Steve, Day.
You can't.
Babae ba, Day? Wala na.
Dili na, siya na may last. So you
I want
either
the candy.
steal or get that.
Sid,
Hello. Hi.
It might be good.
Hindi na pwede mo steal?
Di, pwede siya mo steal except this one. Can steal naman siya.
Number 9 is successful!
You can steal the gift but that's was stolen from you.
Mana? Meron pa. Si Neil na lang.
sige,
Hindi na ako,
yayay.
hindi na ako ma-steal kamiyo. Hindi na ako ma-steal kamiyo.
Ay, na-istila na.
Di na, okay, wala naman ka. Nalang kayo.
Dili nakastilog lain.
Pwede ka kasi naglain.
Ako na lang.
Oh. Steal ka or ka na.
Sigurado na.
Kasi mo.
Mas still, pero matulog. Still, pero
Steal.
Neil is only looking at me all the time. Sorry, Neil. This goes with me.
I steal this one.
Yes! Pare! But then I'll also get a chance, right?
Yes.
But you can't steal because that was stolen from you. That's why.
Happy guys! They're together! They go fishing together. They need that.
So what's your gift now? You're gonna
That's mine?
You have to, yeah.
Either that or
That
steal.
or steal.
steal what?
see is
Steal
that or that?
anything except the
Anything
gift that was
except
stolen
this
from
one.
you.
But the last one will be open, right?
Yeah, but
See, I like my own gift, but I don't want that.
it depends.
I think no.
He either has to use
Yeah.
gifts or get that.
Ah, tungtong ali dito.
Nothing to steal. I would rather play with the toy. Look at that.
Ano si Sig? Itaguan mo dong.
Well, I think Oh, stop doing all these things.
No, I'm opening it for you to see it clearly. This is one
I don't go
set.
kitchen. I'll take it.
Lang, tinanawang iyo.
Take that.
Kasi may lipan kita ni ako ang headset. Headset.
That's yours.
If you want to
Ayun. Bro, yayay kayo ng suluran ha.
Can I hold that?
I'm just holding it.
It's nice!
Kami,
Which one is nice?
Different
steal it
I'm
pare.
so confused now. Is it
Steal.
the same?
Steal so that it will turn.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, because whoever you stole it, she gets or he
But if I steal, I don't get it next time.
No, you can.
No, that's it. This is the second and last chance, right?
Yes.
Is this the only one?
No,
it's
along
fair.
with this.
Whoa. Okay.
Yo. Yo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sige, paikot-ikot lang tayo.
Done?
Okay. So, this is one gift. Yeah.
Mio?
Ano naman?
Kanina Mio.
steal or grab.
Steal ka? Steal pa Mio.
Kasi okay na siguro. Ano eh,
Sige na lang ka ni Mio. Sige na umba.
Marami ko pre.
Saan ba istilin mo dyan?
Bag. Headset. Steal ka headset Mio?
Ikaw naman ito. Ano bang laman?
Yawi na, yawi sa kyanan.
Ito. Ang alam sa kami.
Ito. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
No, you can steal it back because that was stolen from you, so you can't. So you have to
Open
steal
for
or
steal.
open that way.
Dami tayong tapos.
Tama na, Pete.